Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to retrieve your lost data, files or information using disk drill. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. So this is the SD card that I have. It's the same principle with the hard drive or with the USB. I've loaded on some content to show you for this video. So we're going to format my SD card. As you can see, I have files here, 4 pictures and 2 videos. I'm going to format this drive. Set my allocation size to default, quick format. Now the drive is formatted. As you can see, there's nothing in the drive, it's completely empty. So we're going to open the disk drill software. Now disk drill offers 4 different plans, guys. You have to purchase the software in order to use it. They offer you 500 megabytes of recovery, and they cap it at that until you purchase the software. Thereafter, it's unlimited. Your recovery data is unlimited, but beside that, you get 500 megs. So ensure that you purchase this product so you can have uncapped access to it. So as you can see, mine is fully activated and I'm able to have unlimited recovery access. So there's 2 drives. As you can see, the first one is my hard drive, my SSD, and the second one is the SD card, which I formatted. So we're going to try and recover the data that was lost during the format. Before you can recover, ensure that that is the drive that you want to work on, so that there are no errors or mistakes at the end. So that is my SD card, which is in drive F. As you can see, there are a lot of options, guys. The first one is search for lost data, a quick scan, which would be done quickly, a deep scan, which takes quite a while. My recovery process took 8 hours for my SD card. You also have allocate existing data. So if your SD card is corrupted and you have data on it that you'd like to move, that option would be applicable to you, as it would look for files and fix your directories. I'm going to be using the quick scan feature today for this video because I just had 6 files on it for this video and we don't need more than that. So it's going to be scanning. Click on dashboard. Give it a few minutes to scan. Now, as you can see, it's scanning my SD card, guys. This is the quick scan feature. So it's found 2 files so far, which is 88 bytes. It's still in the process of scanning. As you can see, it's 0% complete now. Already from 2 files, it's now found 8 files, 3.59 megabytes. And already this is the 4 pictures that I had in the drive earlier on, guys, which I formatted. Those are my 4 pictures there. So already it has recovered the 4 pictures. And in these files are the 2 videos that was in my SD card prior to the format, One was in MP4 format and the other one was MKV. So the scan is still in the process of being complete. You should leave the scan to run to the end, guys, whether it's the quick scan or the deep scan. The deep scan will give you a lot more data and go way more back in time to find you all of the content that you had on the card. I'm ending my session now, guys, because it's already found the files that I need. So on the bottom right, you'll see recover. You're going to click on recover all. You choose your destination where you want your files to appear. I'm choosing the desktop. We're going to create a new folder. I'm going to name my folder SD card recovery. You're going to click on select folder and next and allow the recovery to take place. This may take a while depending on the size of the files that you had in your SD card, so please be patient and allow the recovery process to take place. Once the recovery process is completed, all of the files will be in your designated folder.